Well, we've come to the end of the road, and it's been quite a journey, and I was looking over the grid of grades and impressed by all the work that you've done all semester, regardless of the outcome from this semester for you. I want you to hear me, and I hope that you can. You are brilliant. If you completed that very first vocabulary assignment where you looked at a color and you assigned a number of words to describe that color, that is critical thinking. A person who is of normal intelligence can look at a color and say, that's red, or look at a color and say, that's blue. But you all put personality, you put detail, and you extended it beyond that into a critical phase. And I have just been grading all of your final essays, and some of you this should be something that you look into as a creative hobby or a career, because you are gifted. It has been a wonderful semester. It's been a pleasure to have all of you, and I wanted to just give you one final fun glimpse into my world that I see on my side of the computer. And I want you to keep in mind that one of the big things is for this particular wave of education is frequent and effective contact. And that means that the district looks for students to interact with each other throughout an online class, so that it isn't just students coming in, doing an assignment, and leaving. And it's a big problem for people. And so folks consider about 100 clicks or posts to be an average for a classroom. And I want you to see from my end what our classroom looked like in the discussion board area. Look at these numbers, kids. I know the topic locks were not graded. However, they are still effective content. So just look at how well you did in your discussions. Look at these numbers. This is incredibly impressive. And I know it wasn't until later in the semester that I added the Cyber Cafe, but even with that, at that late date, look at the Cyber Cafe numbers. I'm not sure what group you were in, but these are impressive numbers. This one especially. What a great group member you were in your Cyber Cafe group. And just so you know, I brag about you constantly. The other teachers in the English department hate to see me come in a room because they know I'm going to be talking about how brilliant my genius students are. I hope you have a wonderful summer. It has been quite a ride with us all. I appreciate you who honored every assignment, who read the tutorials and the PDF instructions and did your very best. You honor me when you do that. You're right, it does take me a very long time to put those assignments together. And to have you spend time and give it your best shot is a way of just honoring me personally as the person who put the class together. Again, best of luck to everybody. It's been a pleasure. And this is me signing off, Professor Hall.